Batman and Robin, birds of a feather.
Stealing the Statue of Liberty? Holy cow! Pigeon woman, where clip your wings? The name's Pigeon Person, Robin, you imitation bird. You'll never stop me.
Well, see, you foul-feathered fiend.
Tomorrow is still America's last statue, and an America without statues is an America without a past. Ha ha ha!
The Bat Computer has plotted Pigeon Person's next plot. She plans to pluck Mount Rushmore. We've got a counter plan, but we need your help. You can depend on us. Will do, Batman.
There's Mount Rushmore, a sitting duck, just waiting to be taken. Ha ha! No, not delicious Hostess cupcakes. Devil's food cake, wonderful creamed filling. My birds will do anything for that.
That's right, even betray you. Pigeon Person, get ready to have your feathers plucked. Pigeon Person, you'll be caged for a long time.
Thanks to our planning and your own birds. I can't blame my pigeons for betraying me. Even a bird brain knows that a Hostess cupcake in the beak is worth any 2 statues in the street.
You get a big delight in every bite of Hostess cupcakes. Hostess is a registered trademark of ITT Continental Baking Company.